Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to say time in Korean. In our last class, we talked about the two different number systems in Korean, right? Sino-Korean and Native Korean. For today's lesson, it's important to understand both number systems because telling time in Korean requires both. So if you need a refresher, review the two number systems before continuing. So let's get started. So telling time in Korean, the logic is like quite simple. To use 시 for hour and 분 for minute. But hours use native Korean number system and minutes use the Sino number system. That's pretty much of it. So here's the example. So how do we say 7-5 in Korean? As you can see, 7, native Korean, we use 일곱, and we use our 시, and 5, in Sino number system, it goes 오, and for minute, we say 분. So combined together, we get 7시 5분. Then what about 8:23? That's correct. We say 8시 23분. Good job. It may seem a bit more complicated than English at first, but with practice, it will feel more natural. Plus, like learning to tell time in Korean is a great way to strengthen your understanding of both number systems in Korean. Okay, so move on to the next part. Okay, there you go. But there are like important exceptions. So when using the native numbers 1 to 4 with quantifiers, their forms change like this. So 하나 changes into 한 plus quantifier. 둘 changes into 두, and 셋 changes into 세, and 넷 changes into 네. So numbers beyond 4 remain the same even with quantifiers. So let's check some examples. So for example, like how do we say like 1:15 in Korean? So we don't say 하나시 15분. We say 한시 15분. And next one, 12:30 in Korean. We say 12시 30분. That's correct. Then maybe you can do the practice like on your own. Like for example, let me ask you, how do we say 11:45 in Korean?